you've tried affiliate marketing and it didn't make money, it's probably not your fault. And it's definitely not because you didn't work hard enough. I tried for years to figure this online space out. I needed to make income from home. I'm Kelly, by the way, if you don't know who I am. I'm a homeschooling mom. I live here in Alabama, and I help moms who have been stuck for a long time. I tried blogging. I tried creating my own products, both physical and digital products. I had an Etsy store where I created custom cutting boards. I created my own brand of skin products. Amazon. I tried about 20 different things, and nothing was consistent. Nothing was substantial. I ended up being overwhelmed, confused, and downright frustrated because I saw other people doing it. And I thought I had all the expertise. I had done the research. I had done the late night searches, and it wasn't happening for me. And that was so frustrating, especially when you really, really need the extra income. My husband was working all he could. I was homeschooling my kids. We were not making enough. We needed extra income, and knowing that it does work for people, but I wasn't able to make it work was very frustrating for me. So maybe that's you. You've posted links before, you've tried maybe promoting affiliate products from Amazon, or you've tried growing an audience, or I don't know what you've tried, but if you're still stuck and it's not making you the income that you want, you definitely want to stick around for this. Now, here is what I didn't understand for the longest time. Most people fail at affiliate marketing because they're just promoting random products. They don't have a system. They don't have a clear audience. They don't have a clear marketing message. And so it's kind of like throwing spaghetti out there, and that's not the way that you make income online. Another problem people have is they're trying to build everything from scratch. And that's almost never going to work because there are a lot of moving parts to a system that actually works. Now, what finally changed for me after 22 years, what finally clicked was that I realized I did not have to figure everything out. I did not have to create the products. I did not have to create the system. I didn't have to know the perfect copywriting. I could actually start with a complete done-for-me system. That's right. I could get the products that were proven, that were already selling. I could get a funnel already created, a sales system already created, all of that, all of those moving pieces that really require a lot of expertise. I could get it all done and start and actually promote that while I'm learning to create my own down the road if that's what I wanted to do. When I found this was the first time I saw consistent income. I actually made $10,000 my first month. I couldn't believe it. I made six figures in 10 months, and for the first time in all of these years, in over 2 decades, I finally figured out what it took to make this happen. Now, this is not for everyone who's just looking for a quick way to make money, or you're just kind of curious. This is for people who actually know that there's a way to make consistent, substantial income online. You just need a clear path. You just aren't sure how to get from A to Z. So if you've tried and you're tired of starting over, this is going to make so much sense to you. Briefest explanation I can give you is there are digital products that you can sell that other people have already created, and you can get the resale rights. Unlike affiliate marketing, where you only make a tiny percentage, with these products, you make 100% profit. And because they are higher ticket, it doesn't take that many sales to actually make a substantial income. And because the program that I chose came with marketing, training, mentoring, step-by-step instructions, it literally was a plug and play, no-brainer. I started the next day. So if you want to see what it's all about, look in the description. I'm going to drop a video. It's going to explain exactly how this works and how you can get started. If you are serious and you actually just want something that works, this is the system that changed everything for me, and I can't wait for you to see it.